How to create shop on Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. In your Facebook page, once you are logged in, you have to navigate to the shop icon which would be at the top of the dashboard. If not, head over to your professional dashboard and check out for the keyword shop. If you cannot find it, tap on the search icon. Then in there you can search for the keyword shop. Now mind it, the shop feature is not available for every region. If the feature is available for you, you can just simply search for the option shop, then click on the suggestion. After which you will get the chance to choose the product that you want to sell through your Facebook shop. Also, you will get to choose the payment method as well. However, if you cannot find this feature, just reach out to the help and support of Facebook page, or chances are the feature is not available for your region. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.